Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the most in-depth reviews of top-rated personal care products. Today we're looking at the best charcoal clay face mask detox on the market, the New York Biology Dead Sea Mud Mask for face and body. This isn't just another skincare product, it's a spa-quality pore refiner that's earned its place as a #1 bestseller in the body mud category with over 51,000 ratings. Let's dive into what makes this mask so popular. First up, this isn't your average clay mask. The formulation is packed with rich minerals straight from the Dead Sea. We're talking about 21 minerals including magnesium, calcium, sulfur, and potassium. These minerals are known for their skin-nourishing properties, and here they come together in a thick, luxurious paste designed to detoxify, cleanse, and revitalize the skin. But that's just the foundation. New York Biology takes it a step further with a blend of natural ingredients like aloe vera, calendula oil, jojoba oil, and vitamin E. These work together to calm the skin, reduce redness, and hydrate deeply, leaving your skin feeling smooth and balanced. What makes it stand out even more is that it's free from alcohol, parabens, and sulfates, and is cruelty-free. So, you're getting a clean product that's safe for all skin types, from oily to sensitive. Now let's talk about the experience. The texture is a thick, creamy paste that spreads smoothly on the skin. It's recommended to use it twice a week, and each application only needs a thin layer. Once applied, it begins to dry in about 10 minutes, tightening slightly as it pulls out impurities from your pores. Refined pores, a noticeable reduction in excess oil, and a fresh, radiant complexion. Another bonus here is that this product isn't just for your face. You can apply it to your body too. Perfect for areas like the back or shoulders where breakouts or clogged pores can be an issue. It's a full-body spa experience packed in an 8.8-ounce jar. It's the perfect combination of detox and exfoliation. As the mud dries, it draws out oils, dirt, and toxins from deep within the skin while providing a gentle exfoliation that removes dead skin cells. The result is skin that not only looks cleaner but feels healthier and more supple. And because the mask includes calming agents like aloe and calendula, it doesn't leave your skin dry or irritated like many other clay masks do. It's also a great pre-makeup treatment. By tightening pores and smoothing skin texture, it creates an ideal surface for applying foundation and other cosmetics. You'll find your makeup goes on more evenly and lasts longer. The product comes in a sturdy, compact container that's easy to store, and you really don't need to use much each time, making it a great value for the price. Whether you're trying to combat oily skin, minimize pores, or just enjoy a self-care ritual, this mask delivers on its promise of spa-quality skincare at home. To wrap it up, the New York Biology Dead Sea Mud Mask is more than just a trend. It's a well-crafted skincare solution backed by nature, science, and thousands of satisfied users. With its mineral-rich Dead Sea mud and soothing botanical ingredients, it detoxifies, exfoliates, and rejuvenates, all without harsh chemicals. If you're looking for a charcoal clay detox that actually works, this mask is a must-have in your routine. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Product Critique. See you next time with more honest, in-depth reviews.